Hello viewers, how to fix Instagram Reels ad note option not showing. Go back to your home screen, go to Google Play Store. Tap on search. Now search Instagram app. Make sure your Instagram app is updated. If your Instagram app are not updated, please update your Instagram app. Now step 2, go to your phone setting. Scroll down and find apps. Now click on manage apps, search Instagram. Now tap on storage. Clear data. Now clear cache. Open Instagram app. Tap on your profile icon. Click on 3 line from the top right corner. Scroll down. Tap on help. Click on report a problem. Now report problem. Select don't include the continue. Now briefly explain what happened or what not working. Now right here in my Instagram app, Reels ad note option not showing. Please fix this issue. Now send to this message. Think after you follow this step, your problem will be solved. So thank you for watching our video.